Yo, I'm Chris Roberts, aka Flame Baster, and today I'm going to show you how to make an epic whole roasted turbot with shrimp, butter, flatbread, all in the beautiful dome. So up first, let's get the turbot, and it's absolutely massive. Look at that big boy. Woo! So yeah, whole turbot. This must be around 3 kilos. It's firm to the touch, fresh, eyes shining. You know this is fresh as beautiful. And you know, if you get a turbot like this, don't fillet it, don't go to the bother. Cook it whole, it's the best way to cook it. I'm gonna do it in my cage. This is from my good friend Thomas Parry, Brat Restaurant. Big love, this cage has cooked thousands of turbots. Before that, bit of oil. Halanamor, like we say in Wales, sea salt. Salt in the gills here. I've removed the gills, the fishmonger has cleaned it. I did want a bit smaller turbots, but you know, this is the only turbot he caught today, so gotta roll with it. Support your local fishmonger. Man, I love fishmongers, they're my rock stars, they're my superheroes. Should all support them. Just very simple. Salt and oil. Might need a bigger cage for this. Fit. Oh. There you go. Turbot in the cage. You want a medium heat here. You don't want it hot and sizzling. You know, you want this to be a low and slow cook. So I'm going to go for 45, 50 minutes, low and slow. And the benefit of cooking turbot whole, man, you get all that flavour from the bones. There's no waste. You can eat all this fins. And the skin keeps all the juices in. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh yes, it's heavy. Ah. Okay, we're in. It fits. Yeah, so now it's just low and slow. We're rocking around 379 at the moment. It's going to drop that temp to about 300. If you haven't got a fish cage, don't worry. Just put it in a tray, you know. So every few minutes throughout the cook, I'll be only spritzing the turbot. And in here is a secret of the Basque country. Fish stock, sherry vinegar, bit of lemon, bit of olive oil, and we spritz. And that spritzing is going to help create the most amazing pil-pil sauce, because the turbot is a very gelatinous fish. You'll see at the end what I mean. Even if you're doing mackerel, I did mackerel last time I was here with this, and I still spritz, you know. Spritzing keeps everything juicy. Ooh, look at that. Wow. As I was saying earlier, with all the textures you can eat, you know, all these crispy bones here turn into the most insane fish crackling. I'd love to tuck into this now, you know, but it will benefit from resting for around 10 minutes, you know. Let that meat absorb all that beautiful turbot juice. And a little side to go with it is charred fennel. I've got fennel in loads of water and lemon juice here, because once you slice it, it goes brown straight away, so this keeps it from going brown. Just drain it. Cold pan, fennel's in with some oil, simple. In she goes. I just love cooking fennel, you know. For me, when it's raw, it's too licoricey, too aniseedy. When you char it, burn it a little bit, you know, it just mellows out, and it's a beautiful thing. I love the smell of charred fennel. I am in a burnt fennel vibe at the moment. I have it with everything. Steak, fish fingers, everything. Burnt fennel is a vibe. So I can't be in Gozney HQ cooking up a recipe without making some flatbread. And I have to tell you, I'm so very, very excited about these little dough balls of love, because they've been touched by the baking god, Richard Bernier. Bertinet? Anyway, I love Richard. It's been a dream of mine to collab with him. But so far, this is the closest I've come to a collab with Richard. Just gently open these breads up a bit. And you can find his recipe on gozney.com. I have to say, beautiful dough, Richard. Love it, love it, love it. Now, let's turbocharge these flatbreads. I've got some dehydrated shrimp here. Lots of menyn, nath a 9 munud. Very funky. It's hardcore. If you like hardcore, funky, prawny smell and taste, do it. So it was Lee Tiernan, OG. He introduced me to these crispy, little, delightful shrimp. If you haven't got dehydrated shrimp, you can use shrimp paste, you know. It does the same thing. So just drizzle the breads. A tiny amount of these prawns will go a long way. Yeah. Woo, baby. Let's get some herbage on it. Bit of parsley. Make it rain. Boom, there we go. Shrimp, butter, bread, Richard Bertinet dough. Beautiful thing. Iawn ta. Let's get the turbot and plate up. Oh, it's still heavy. In one. I'm happy with that, I'm happy with that. That could have been a disaster. Whoa, yes. More of this beautiful liquor, this stock, and the vinegar, and everything is just gonna marry with the gelatinous juices of this glorious turbot. So I had to put a little Welsh twist, pickled cockles from Wales, and it's just gonna go beautiful with this rich and creamy turbot meat. Some burnt lemon, bit of tarragon, so much room on the platter, can go by the tail. And there you have it, a spectacular turbot platter, wood roasted in the beautiful dome, shrimp butter bread. It's a showstopper. You're telling me you don't plonk that on the table for your family or your friends and they're not gonna love you forever. And it's actually really simple, really simple. And for the recipe, go to gozney.com. Erika, I want to share the eating of the turbots with you. So I'm gonna give you the best part. I just need to get some of this amazing pil sauce onto the cheek. Oh, and you have to have a bit of the fish crackling on top. And what do you think about the crackling?
Oh, it's brilliant.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. And the cocktails, I love cocktails. Who smashed it?
Yeah.